Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Schedulicity. Workshops are an awesome way to organize sessions that multiple clients can enroll in. They are similar to classes, but also unique because you can require clients to enroll in all sessions or let them pick and choose which ones they go to. Because of this, clients can schedule multiple sessions at one time when booking. Also, I wanted to mention that you can change the name workshop if you desire. Just navigate to Settings, and then choose Workshop Policies. Then choose the new workshop label from the drop-down menu. Let's take a look at creating workshops. Navigate to the Workshop Icon tab. Select the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Select the Add New button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From here, you'll want to create your workshop. You can change the name of your workshop to something unique. Change the description and all the details you would like for your workshop. Specify how you'd like clients to book. If you would like clients to be able to book the workshop online, book the workshop with a credit card to hold their spot, and require them to attend all sessions if it is a series, or if they can just come to one session. Next, select the workshop default color. And then now, create the times that the workshop occurs weekly, pick which days, or monthly, create the days, or even specific days if they are sporadic. So let's say you have a boot camp and it runs every Saturday. This is what you are setting up here. Enter the time of the workshop so people know when to come. Now you want to set up how long the workshop is going to run for. So enter the start date and the end date. So if you have a boot camp that runs from June to July, this is what you are setting up here. Next, set up which instructor is running the workshop, the number of slots you have available, and the list price if you wish. You can also add specific sessions, names, and location to the workshop if you'd like. Don't forget to save your changes when you're done. You also have the option to edit workshops. To edit a single workshop session, navigate to the Workshops tab. Select the workshop from the list whose session you'd like to edit. Now select the session, select the edit button in the upper right-hand corner, and make your changes, hit update, and you are good to go. You can also edit multiple workshop sessions at once. Navigate to the Workshops tab, select the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Select the Add Edit button next to the workshop you wish to edit. Select the Edit Sessions button. From here, first select the Choose Sessions button and then check the sessions that need to be edited. Once these are selected, click on the Select This Number of Sessions button. Now, toggle the field that you want to edit to Yes and then edit the info that you need to. Select the Continue button when done. Now, review and confirm your changes. If you want an updated notification of the changes to go out to your clients, just be sure to leave the notifications options to Yes, otherwise toggle to No. Hit Update to finalize the change or hit Start Over if you need to. These changes will now be applied to all selected workshop sessions. Let's look at canceling workshops. To cancel a specific workshop session, walk through these steps. Navigate to the Workshop tab, select the workshop from the list that has a session you would like to cancel, and then select the Cancel button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Then, just confirm that you wish to cancel. All of your enrolled clients will get a notification of this cancellation and you're good to go. With canceling multiple workshop sessions or an entire series, you'll just need to select the Add Edit button next to the sessions and select the sessions you would like to cancel or delete. Again, your clients registered for this workshop will receive a notification of the cancellation, just as a heads up. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@schedulicity.com.